BMW F80 M3 is a high-performance car from factory. A four-door saloon that can not only do everything already, can do even more when it's tuned. A simple mod that most people like to do is intakes. Problem with that on this car is it doesn't always improve the performance, and I think these actually reduce it slightly because they're getting hot air from the engine. So then why would I change mine? Well, that's simple really, it's the noise. But today we're hopefully going to be fixing that with something that goes around here to kind of seal it off a little bit more from the engine and hopefully direct more cold air into the intakes. First thing I'm going to have to do to get this underneath the pipe is take off the filter, so I need to get this unscrewed. Now with the filter off, we should be able to try and slide this around underneath the pipe and screw it down and we should be good. So let's try do that. First I'm going to clean that up. Right, let's see how easy this is to get in under here. Slide it round, it's kind of able to squish the, assume it's made out of aluminium slightly. And there we go, so it is kind of just resting in place. I need to screw it in, but yeah, it kind of fit. It was just a bit tight in there, but that's kind of what I expected with that pipe. That is the most difficult one to do anyway, so yeah. Good that it's finally in there. Let's screw it down and see how that goes. As usual, don't have any of my good tools with me, so this little rusty old Allen key will do. Done is I've loosened this back off because I just saw that did not want to fit in that little gap, so I'm going to try and pull this over, see if I can get it in at that. If not, I'm going to take this back out and then put them both in together at the same time and see if that works. Hey, bingo, it worked and it's back in place. I'd screw it down again. So with one side done, we now need to move on to the other side. I'm hoping this side will be a lot easier because this intake was a lot easier to put in. This was the problem child when I first did it, so I wanted to do that one first. You may also notice that I left out putting in some of the screws, so there's one just down there, you probably can't see it, and then one really hard to get to down there. I didn't put them in, or well, I didn't tighten them up just yet because I've got another tool at my house that it's a bit longer, so I'll be able to get that easier. So I'm just going to leave that for now. It is held in place quite nicely, so it's not going to move anywhere and it'll be fine. So I will sort that out at a later date. Let's move on to this side. And there we have it, that is everything done, well, apart from the couple of bolts that I didn't put in place. So there is on this side, one back there and then one down the back. Just need something a bit longer to get in there. And then this side, same thing that I told you earlier about one down there and one down there. But apart from that, it is all buttoned up nicely. They look good, and I mean, I don't know how much difference it's going to actually make, but we will see. I probably won't notice it since I don't take the car on track anyway, but combined with the little scoops that are down here, I think it'll be a nice wee improvement, I would say. And it also just kind of cleans up the engine bay as well, just kind of adds a wee bit more to it, a bit more kind of like it's meant to be like that, instead of just something's missing and then different intakes are in there and stuff. So it looks a bit more kind of how it should. So yeah, I'm overall happy with it. I think I will do a video in the future of kind of like sounds, and then if there is any difference with like sort of temperatures that I notice or anything like that, I will probably do a video on that. But I think for now this is good. I'm happy with it anyway. I will fix those bolts at a later date. I'm actually not driving the car right now, so I will fix those bolts later when I need to. But yeah, it's just going to be parked up. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If there's anything in particular you want to see in another video, then let me know and I can do that. But for now, this is kind of it. I'm done with the intake mods as it would be. I don't think I've got anything else planned for the intake, so that'll be it for now. So if you like what you see, drop a subscribe, because I'm going to be continue making videos, hopefully weekly. I'm going to try and get into the habit of doing it, and yeah, I'm just going to keep adding mods to this car. And I don't know, maybe should I get another car, because I'm running out of things to do on this. I mean, there's still lots that I want to do, but I don't know if, like, I'm just kind of doing them for content at this point. It's not really something I want on the car. Some of them I do, but I mean, like headlights, I'm kind of thinking about upgrading them, so we'll see. But yeah, if there's anything you want to see, let me know. I could buy it, do it, whatever it is you want to see, let's just let me know. So yeah, enough waffling. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.